Hello student, in this video we talk about how to create social accounts button in Filmora 12. So open your Filmora and then click on the titles, and in titles you click on this button, the titles, right, and then scroll down, and from here you see the social media. So click on the social media, right, and from here you also choose the Instagram, the YouTube and the Facebook and the YouTube button. You also search it for just Insta. I search it. From here you also check the free and also the paid, and when you click on it, so click on the all, so all paid and free all available. The diamond shape is paid and without diamond shape is free. So first we create the Instagram button. So first click on it to download it. Now from here I import my media. To import my some clip, right, so I import my this file, then drag and drop. From here I cut it, right. Now I click on the titles, the Instagram is downloaded. Now I drag and drop it, right, and from here just I select it, so right, and then click on it, and from here you see the video layer, and from here you see the social media page. So write your Instagram name. So my Instagram name is nomadic.afridi. So it is the I have create my Insta button, right. From here I reshape it, resize it, reset it, right. So it is my Insta button, right, and now I click on this button, and from this area save as custom. If you want to save as custom, right, so you does not again re-edit it, you just save as custom, and from here rename it my Insta name, right, and then click on OK, and you see in titles and in downloads, below the downloads you see the custom, and in custom you see my Insta name, and from here you just drag and drop, and the same button will be a save, right. So you see the same button. So I have created my Insta name. Now I go to the recommended the titles, and in titles go to the social media. Now I want to create the Facebook button. I also downloaded the Facebook button, right, but now I search for the Facebook. From here you see a lot of Facebook button, as you want, as you wish, so you downloaded that button as you like it more, right. So I download this button. You also click on it to play it, right. Now I drag and drop, right, and from here I resize it. This text I want to delete it, so I did this text, it is enough, and from here I write my Facebook name, nomadic Afridi. It is my Facebook name, right, my traveling Facebook page, and from here I want to reset it, reset and resize it. From here you also change the color, right, you also learn it, you also change color from here. click on it and change color from here, right? Any color you want, so you change it, right? So I reset it, and from here you select it and then click on the save as custom, and from here I write my name is my Facebook name, right? So I save it and it will be save it. Now I want to search for the YouTube, so click on the social media, and from here we search the YouTube. Now for here we downloaded the YouTube button, right? So click on it to download it. Now double click on it, and from here drag and drop, right, to create this button. Now click on this button. First I resize it, then I resize this text. Now I edit it, and my YouTube name is Nomadic Afridi, right? It is my brand name on all social accounts, Nomadic Afridi, as a traveler, right? So from here I want to change the color. From here you also change the font, right? So this font is best. Now I have created my 3 buttons on social accounts. Now from here I save it and my YouTube name, and then click on the OK. So it is sit on the preset. So first the Insta, and then the Facebook, and then the YouTube. Now I want to play this short clip with my all 3 social accounts, right? So I want to play this video. So student, it is a short video how to create the social media accounts button in the Filmora 12. Thank you.